Mistplay doesn't pay for playing games directly. It pays through points earned from time spent in sponsored mobile games. And those points convert into gift cards once you reach a redemption limit set by the app. By the end of this, you'll know 7 apps that are commonly used as alternatives, how they compare in earning structure, and what actually affects how fast you can cash out compared to Mistplay. Start with how Mistplay-style apps actually work. These apps get paid by game developers who want installs and active users. You download games through the app, play them, and earn points based on activity. Once you hit the withdrawal threshold, you redeem rewards like PayPal cash or gift cards depending on the platform. So when people look for apps that pay more than Mistplay, they're usually comparing 3 things: earning speed, payout options, and availability of high-value offers. First category is offer wall gaming apps. These apps give you access to multiple game deals at once, instead of a single catalog. You can pick higher-paying installs or milestone-based rewards, which can feel faster if your device gets strong offers. Second category is task-based reward apps. These apps combine gaming with surveys, app installs, and micro-tasks. The gaming side alone may not always pay more, but total earning potential can be higher, because there are more ways to earn in one place. Third category is competitive gaming reward apps. These apps include tournaments or skill-based challenges. Rewards depend on performance or placement, which can result in higher payouts but less consistency. Now here's what actually determines whether an app pays more. Offer value is the biggest factor. Some apps simply get higher-paying game deals depending on your region and device. Task availability matters just as much. If there are more active offers, you can build points faster than apps with limited game catalogs. And payout structure is the final factor. Some apps feel slower not because they pay less, but because they require higher point thresholds before cashing out. So instead of searching for a single best Mistplay alternative, the smarter approach is using multiple reward apps and keeping the ones that consistently show high-value game offers for your location. Summary: apps like Mistplay pay through sponsored game installs and engagement. Speed depends on offer value, task availability, and redemption thresholds. No app guarantees higher earnings for every user in every region. Next step: try one Mistplay alternative, and track how quickly you reach your first redemption milestone compared to your current app. Like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of reward apps without hype or unrealistic earning claims.